What's up, HoodLers on YouTube? I wanted to go over a bullish harmonic pattern in the crypto space and what else to look for when you're looking for harmonic patterns. What other bullish factors can be part of the recipe for the bullish harmonic pattern? Okay, so we have an XABCD pattern. It's a geometric pattern, and if these levels hit certain Fibonacci percentages, they or most likely you will see moves back up to the upside. Okay, now looking for the XABCD pattern, you can have different levels. This D over here can be anywhere in between this area all the way down to 3.6. So this is a deep pattern. This is what you would call like a deep crab bullish pattern. So you take your low over here, and when you run up, you draw it to A. So you take your high point, so X to A, and then you retrace. And as long as this is above 50% or more, you want it above 50%, right around here. This is a good area. So we go down to B, and we drop down to B, and then we retrace back up to C. C is this candle right here. And if we did it on the 30-minute chart, you can see clearly that that is the move. Or that was the move. See? On the 4-hour chart, it's going to show that this is one candle, right? So, and then your D is the next leg down. So all the way down, D, we hit a 1.2 fib retrace. Now, when this happens, these are bullish factors. That means that this is high probability that you're going to see price action move to the upside. You don't just want to have the XABCD pattern alone. You also want to have some other bullish factors, like some bullish divergence. There is definitely some 4-hour bullish divergence on Dogecoin, July 17th through July 20th. Okay, so we made the low over here at 16 cents, 169. Okay, and then we need a newer low at 161. So the price made a low, and then the price ran up and made a lower low, but your RSI made a higher low. So when these move opposite, when they start moving opposite of each other, especially towards the bottom of a downtrend, that gives you a sign that the trend is going to reverse and we're going to see upsides. And look what happened. Boom. We ran all the way back up. Your first price target on the pattern is C. Would be from D to C. So your entry is down here. Your exit is up here, short term. Anyways, right? So your first price target would be C, and your second would be A, and it just completely passed through that. I mean, and then that's going to give you signs that we are looking for price continuation to the upside. So that's it for this video, HoodLers, in the crypto space. This was specifically on Dogecoin. You can find harmonic patterns all over the stock market and crypto space. Hope this video helped you.